Megan from Zen Well here. Today we're actually going to look at a partner stretch, an assisted stretch for the arms and shoulders. So I've brought my quarantine buddy back today. Alright, so to get started, Blaine is sitting, he's propped up on his knees because that's what feels best for him, but he's also sitting on a yoga block, which is what you should do if sitting on the ground isn't good enough for you, okay? It's all about finding what works best in your body. So the first stretch in this sequence is actually a twist, and I know that we're going to twist to the right, so I'm going to prop myself up on my left leg. Blaine's going to bring his hands behind his head. He's going to lace his fingers. I'm going to come under his arms and then sort of thread the needle. All right, so we are going to take a breath together and do the stretch on the exhale. How does that feel there, Blaine?
That's a good stretch.
It's far enough?
Yep.
Yeah, so always check in. Come back to center. Oh, I need to switch legs. Breathing in, and then we're going to exhale. Good here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Coming back to center. Blaine's going to keep his fingers laced, bring his hands to the top of his head, and then palm facing up. I'm going to stand up. Between his shoulder blades is where I'm going to put my knee. This is just for stability and traction. It's not. I'm not at all thinking about grinding into his spine with the knee. That's no good. All right. So, taking a breath on the exhale, I am gently pulling his elbows back towards me. Good stuff. Okay. And then to come out of it, Blaine's going to let his fingers go, and we're just going to do a nice overhead stretch. And then you're going to rain your arms down. Okay. How does that feel, Blaine?
That's okay.
All right. Thanks for watching, folks. We hope to see you at the spa very soon.